how Nvizion can help organizations struggling with poor data quality?
Yeah, so Mohan, data is one of the key DNAs for our company, data management, master data management. We have been in this space for the last 2 decades, right? And when it comes to a specific approach, we take a hands-on approach, because at the end of the day, we have to complement teams with good subject matter expertise, talent across multiple platforms, and making sure that we are addressing the right team in front of the customer. We begin by doing a data quality assessment and to benchmark the current issues. For example, the challenges that you mentioned about manufacturing space, right? We benchmark all of these things and translate into some of the technology solutions. Now, we're a tool-agnostic company, where depending upon how the challenges are characterized, we tell you the right platform of your choice with the commercial and technical advantage. But having said that, one of the biggest advantages that we bring across is our proprietary data cleansing framework.